In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 0x8007f0f4. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match here in this window, which is the command prompt system, before we continue. Now, once you have seen it, please navigate here at the right side and wait until you can see an option where you can run it as an administrator. Now, click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. You need to copy and paste it here one by one. So the first is to start the background intelligent transfer service and to start the Windows update. So this command is very important. So you need to copy and paste it here one by one. So wait until you would be able to start the background intelligent transfer service. And once you have started it, you need to navigate to the second command, copy and paste it here. This is to start the Windows update. Okay. Wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this one, you need to close this window and run the Windows update again and see if it's working. Okay. However, if not, then you need to move on to the next solution, and that is to do SFC scan. So by that, here at the search box again, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, please wait until you would be able to see a command prompt system from here. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and go with the Run as Administrator. Okay, so from here, please type for SFC space forward slash scan now. Then you need to click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, please copy and paste the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. This one. Paste it here as well once you are done with the SFC scan, and then proceed to the third once you are done with the second. This is to check the health of your computer. Okay? So once you have completed this procedure, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. So run the Windows update again and see if it's working. However, if not, then you can run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. Now at the settings window, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please locate for system, click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for troubleshoot. And afterwards, you need to go with the other troubleshooters. And from here, please run the Windows update. Run the troubleshooter for Windows update. And once you have finished it successfully, you need to update your computer again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.